This 90s coupe sat forgotten for over 2 years, and rescuing it might be the dumbest way to fund the V8 project. Let me show you how it started. When I saw the ad for this 95 Ford Probe, it looked great. The seller was in a hurry to get rid of it, so we agreed on 1,200 euros over the phone. Advertised as running and with just 190,000 kilometers. And somehow still too expensive once I realized it didn't start. The interior was disintegrating. And the smell. Something like blood, death, and old tobacco. The ad conveniently forgot to mention the car had been parked for a long time. But under that Ford skin, it's a proper 90s Mazda. Which of course means Japanese reliability, so I did the obvious. Bought it for 750 euros. Spoiler alert, we're definitely not making any money on this one. Time is money, and time we have, but money we don't. So that same night I was already trying to revive it. Flat tires, dead battery, and no gas. One thing at a time. Our subject approaches the vehicle with purpose, confidence, and absolutely no idea what's about to happen. Moments ago, he made a conscious decision to put the car in reverse gear, and yet in the span of mere seconds, that knowledge vanished. And just like that, with a casual turn of the key and a breath of spark, the fire came back. This engine isn't done. We are. Time hasn't been kind to the interior plastics, and it shows. This will take more than just a deep clean. The car's right axle shaft is very much broken, producing a constant clunking when turning. It creaks, it wobbles, and it shouldn't be fun. But this battered machine delivers an authentic mechanical connection that modern cars just can't replicate. The gear shifter floats, and the suspension is long gone. Yet behind the wheel, there's a raw analog charm that's hard to ignore. Suddenly there's a smell, more of a warning than a scent, the kind that reminds you of money burning. And I wasn't wrong. Both rear brakes are cooked, the result of a stuck parking brake, which is a well-known issue on these models. But every story has a turning point, and for this one, it began with a much-needed wash. Now, there's something I need to confess. I've failed the project because I did something terrible. I fell in love with a humble, low-spec Ford Probe, and I just can't bring myself to sell it. I want to keep it, drive it, and make it shine again. But that means a lot of money, about 1,600 euros in parts and fresh paint. Since I'm keeping it, I had to cover its cost for the project. I wanted to get at least another 750 euros in benefits, so that's what had to go into the balance, and that took some time, way more than I expected. But we're back on track now, and while I finish restoring the Probe, all the parts are now paid, the project balance is settled, and a new project car is here. An over-engineered masterpiece from Germany, and it's rear-wheel drive. Can you guess what car is it? Before we part ways, let me tell you something. This world breaks everyone, even the good and the brave. And those it cannot break, it kills. So, there's no shame in being broken. You just pick up the pieces and keep rebuilding. For what you fix today may one day be the very thing that fixes you.